Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Stacey and today I'll be doing a henna mask treatment and I'll be using Henna Nupur because it's made up of 9 herbs which are beneficial for our hair health. All the 9 herbs are listed on the package together with their benefits and how to apply the henna to your hair. So to prepare this mask, you need to pour in a good quantity of the powder into a bowl. And for me personally, even though this Henna Nupur consists of aloe vera, I like to add a little bit more of aloe vera powder into it to increase moisture. After mixing the powders together in a bowl, you can go ahead and add your water and mix it until it's a smooth paste. If the paste is too thick, you can always add more water and mix. It depends on you. If you want it really light, you can do that, add more water. But if you want the paste really thick, you can also reduce the amount of water you pour in. So now I'm going to add my extra virgin olive oil to moisturize my hair because at times henna can be very dry, so you want to make sure that after washing it out your hair is not very dry. You can also add as many oils as you want, but I like to keep it simple. So now I'm going to add in my deep conditioner. Like I said, you want to make sure that your hair stays moisturized. So usually I add the deep conditioner after keeping the mask for 12 hours, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to do that now so you can see. So when I'm done, I just seal the bowl and then keep it in a dark place for 12 hours. To begin the application, you want to make sure you wear your cape. So what I'm doing now is just putting on this nylon cape to protect my cloth because this henna can be very staining, can stain your dress. So yeah, it's going to get messy. So the henna has released, that's why it has this dark color after keeping it overnight. And as usual for application, you want to work in sections because it always makes things easier. This henna mask has helped me a lot to retain length as well as thickness of my hair. So I recommend that when you're starting out, maybe you use it once a month, but as you get into it, when your hair becomes used to it, you can then use it weekly or every other week. Right now I use it every week, but before I used to use it once a month. So this is my hair after washing the henna out, and this is the end of the video. Bye.